In an astonishing turn of events, NASA's Mars rover has made a groundbreaking discovery that could radically alter our understanding of life beyond Earth. This revelation has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and ignited a flurry of excitement, speculation, and even trepidation. As humanity stands on the precipice of potentially redefining its place in the universe, the implications of this find are as vast as they are profound. What does it mean if we are not alone? What does the presence of life, or at least the ingredients for life, on another planet imply for our understanding of biology, evolution, and our own existence? These questions challenge not only our scientific frameworks but also our philosophical beliefs, sparking a broader conversation about what it means to be human in an ever-expanding cosmos. Body. Recently, the rover made headlines by detecting unusual organic compounds in a Martian soil sample, stirring both excitement and unease among researchers. These compounds, which include complex carbon-based molecules such as amino acids and other organic materials, strongly suggest the tantalizing possibility that Mars may have once been capable of supporting life. The ramifications of this discovery are staggering. For decades, scientists have largely operated under the assumption that Earth is the only planet where life has taken hold. However, the presence of these organic compounds could fundamentally challenge this belief, opening the door to a universe where life might exist in various forms, even in environments previously deemed inhospitable. The implications of this discovery are manifold. If these organic materials are indeed remnants of ancient microbial life, it raises the stakes of our quest for knowledge about life beyond Earth. It compels scientists to revisit their hypotheses about the conditions required for life, pushing them to consider a broader range of environments that might support biological processes. This shift in perspective could lead to groundbreaking new theories about the origins of life, not just on Mars but also on other celestial bodies. For example, moons like Europa and Enceladus, both of which are believed to have subsurface oceans, might warrant renewed exploration if organic chemistry is more common throughout the solar system than previously thought. As scientists delve deeper into the rich history of Mars, they are compelled to consider the planet's distant past, a time when it may have been a thriving environment. In its ancient days, Mars could have had flowing water, a thicker atmosphere, and a climate that allowed for the development of microbial life. The notion that our neighboring planet was once a cradle for life challenges long-standing assumptions and ignites debates about the nature of life's resilience. Researchers are now faced with the daunting task of piecing together the geological and atmospheric history of Mars to better understand how and why its environment changed so drastically. This investigation not only serves to illuminate Mars' past but also provides invaluable insights into the processes that shape planetary evolution, potentially allowing us to draw parallels to Earth and other planets. In this context, the rover's discovery acts as a catalyst for further exploration. The thrill of uncovering microbial life on Mars is not merely an academic pursuit. It holds existential significance for humanity. As we reflect on the possibility of life beyond Earth, we are forced to confront our own existence. What if life is not a rarity but a cosmic norm? This prospect invites a host of ethical and philosophical questions. How would the confirmation of life on another planet alter our understanding of ourselves? Would it challenge the foundations of religion, philosophy, and science? The implications are profound, extending beyond the realm of astrobiology to encompass our deepest beliefs about existence and purpose. Moreover, the excitement surrounding this discovery comes with a sense of urgency. The harsh conditions that Mars currently endures, characterized by a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and frequent dust storms, paint a bleak picture for the existence of life today. However, the possibility that Mars may have once been a lush, vibrant world compels scientists to explore its ancient geology and atmosphere more deeply. What else might be hidden beneath the Martian surface? The search for microbial fossils or other forms of evidence that life once thrived is now a priority. Each new mission brings us closer to uncovering the secrets of Mars, while simultaneously reigniting public interest and investment in space exploration. The prospect of discovering more evidence of life forms, however microscopic, evokes a sense of both thrill and fear. The thought of not being alone in the universe is exhilarating yet unsettling. It forces us to reconsider what life means and how we fit into the broader tapestry of existence. Would the discovery of Martian life mean that we share a cosmic community? What responsibilities would come with that knowledge? These questions linger in the air, challenging us to reflect on our ethical obligations as stewards of our own planet, and potentially of others. As we confront the implications of this discovery, we must also navigate the ethical considerations it raises. The thought of microbial life existing elsewhere prompts us to reflect on our responsibilities as potential interplanetary travelers. How should we approach Mars if it indeed has a history of life? Should we prioritize the preservation of Martian ecosystems, or should our focus be solely on exploration and colonization? The balance between scientific curiosity and ethical stewardship becomes increasingly complex as we consider our role in a broader cosmic narrative. The potential for contamination, both biological and chemical, remains a significant concern, raising the question of how to responsibly conduct research in environments that may still harbor life. The scientific community's enthusiasm is palpable, and the ongoing dialogue about the implications of these discoveries highlights a critical aspect of scientific inquiry, the intersection of knowledge and ethics. As we develop technologies to explore Mars and potentially other planets, we must ensure that our pursuits do not lead to irreversible harm. The principles of planetary protection must guide our exploration efforts, safeguarding not only the Martian environment but also our own planet from potential biological contaminants that could arise from interplanetary missions. Additionally, the excitement surrounding this discovery serves as a powerful reminder of the need for continued investment in space exploration. The discoveries made by NASA's Mars rover have rekindled public interest and spurred discussions about the importance of funding and supporting scientific research. The findings serve to illustrate that we are on the cusp of monumental breakthroughs that could change our understanding of life itself. As governments and private entities consider their roles in space exploration, this discovery acts as a rallying cry for a renewed commitment to understanding the cosmos. The journey of exploration is as much about expanding our knowledge as it is about inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. As we await further analysis and more findings from the rover, this discovery not only challenges our perceptions of Mars but also emphasizes the ultimate mystery of our universe. The tantalizing possibility that we are on the brink of understanding life beyond Earth adds a layer of urgency to our exploration efforts. Each new revelation beckons us to look deeper into the unknown, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life and the profound questions that lie ahead. In conclusion, the discovery made by NASA's Mars rover is not just a scientific milestone, it is a transformative moment for humanity. It invites us to reconsider what we know about life, our place in the cosmos, and our responsibilities as custodians of our planet. As we continue to unravel these mysteries, the quest for answers intensifies, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises, some of which could change everything we think we know. The journey has just begun, and with each new revelation, we find ourselves drawn deeper into the cosmos, eager to explore the unknown and redefine our understanding of life itself. The future of space exploration is bright, filled with possibilities that could alter the course of human history. As we look to the stars, we do so with hope,